Hi everyone, my name is Mishi. I'm the Wearable Tech Lead at ProGlove. And as you know, we recently launched our newest device, MAI, which also comes with a brand new wearable. With this wearable, we really optimized the ergonomics, and we want to make sure that the user really loves using this product. And the way that we have achieved such a high user acceptance and such high ergonomics is because we have been building wearables for around a decade. And I want to guide you through our wearable development process over these last years. So everything started with the standard glove. Here we realized that in the industry, most of the workers wear already gloves. So we thought it was a very easy way to enter the wearable computing or wearable scanning market by tapping into form factor that was already being used in the industry. So we thought, okay, everyone is wearing gloves, so let's just add intelligence and add a barcode scanner to this glove. This worked great, but we wanted to make sure that our wearables were more durable. So we made a new iteration of the wearable, which was this one, the palm trigger. Here we enabled users to use other types of gloves and also wear the scanner without a glove, which in turn enabled some other use cases where workers needed more dexterity, where they needed to have their fingers free. And then we kept a close eye on the users, what the users were telling us. And one thing that we realized is that they really loved this trigger here, so pressing with the thumb, but they also really loved the fingers-free form factor that this one provided. So we decided, why shouldn't we just merge these two? And this is where the index trigger was born. So this was the first version of the index trigger. The form factor is fingers free, but you press with your thumb. And this was very well accepted. And then we just, again, make sure that we kept a close eye on the users. And bit by bit, we improved the index trigger until we have the current version. One thing that we also heard is that for some use cases, we realized that keeping all of these variants in stock, so small, medium, and large, and then left and right, was a little bit of a hassle. So that's where the next version of our wearable comes in, which is the hand strap. This one is very adjustable form factor, so users with very small hands and very big hands can also wear it. You just need to adjust the band here to adjust for your hand size. And yeah, this has been very liked as well. So these two are our current best-selling wearables. We also have another addition to the portfolio, which is the reel. This one is meant more for use cases where you still want to use ProGlove, but you don't have such a high scan rate. So you can put this on your belt or on your shirt, and then you can just reel it out and then scan with the button here. Yeah, and then as you see, this has all led to our newest iteration of the wearable, which is kind of like the hand strap for the old platform. It's called the Hand Strap Gen2. And here we really optimized on what the customers were saying. So they wanted even more durability. We optimized all of the little areas where we were seeing some durability defects. And another thing that we enabled is also washability. So we eliminated all of the glued joints and we replaced them with sewn joints to make sure that these units, as soon as they get a little bit dirty, they can be washed without issues. Electronics, everything is washable, And this will enable our ergonomics, but also making sure that the wearables stay clean and hygienic as well. Thanks a lot. I hope you find this session very interesting, and see you later. Bye.